Hello students, today our new topic sex determination. How to determine the sex in different individuals, different animals. For example, in sexual reproduction participating two individuals, one behave as like male and another behave as like female. It means individual who is participating in sexual reproduction, they are present in two types. One is male and another is a female. But today our topic, how these sexes are formed, how these sexes are developed. Okay, in different animals, there are different type of formation of their sexes. For example, in snails, their sexes determine on their will. It means snails are they can change their sexes after some time. Snails are change their sexes when they are want. It means these sexes are not determined on the basis of their genetic pattern. These sexes are not dependent on their gene or chromosome. Their sexes are not dependent on their gene or chromosome. In this way, their sexes are not dependent on their gene or chromosome. There are some reptiles. Their sexes are also not dependent on their gene. For example, crocodile. In crocodile, their sexes are determined on the basis of temperature. During their egg incubation, when their eggs are incubated, at that time of incubation of egg, that time what is the temperature? That temperature determines their sexes. Understand? It means a range of temperature. When the eggs are developed at that range, they develop a specific type of sexes. It means these sexes are dependent on the basis of temperature during egg incubation. During egg incubation into the crocodile, what is the temperature? That temperature is determined what is the sex of new baby or new baby which are emerged from the egg after hatching. Okay, but in human beings, these sexes are determined on the basis of their chromosome. Which type of chromosome present in their cells? These chromosomes are determined their sex. Okay? You know that any human being have the 23. In human being have 23 pair of chromosomes. In human being have 23 pair of chromosomes. 22 pair chromosomes are same 23rd pair chromosome are different. 23rd pair of chromosomes are different in male and female. Okay? These chromosomes are known as sex chromosomes. These chromosomes are known as sex chromosomes. In male and female, in single cell have the 23 pair chromosomes. In female have the 23 pair chromosomes. Okay. Okay. Both have 23 pair of chromosomes. 22 pair chromosomes. 22 pair chromosomes in male and female are same. 22 pair chromosomes in male and female are same. Both are same. Okay. But 23rd pair chromosomes are different. 23rd pair chromosomes are different. And these chromosomes are known as sex chromosomes. These chromosomes are known as sex chromosomes. These chromosomes are known as sex chromosomes. Okay? And these chromosomes, which are same in male and female, is known as autosome. It is known as autosome. Autosomes are participate in the formation of animal's body, in the formation of human's body. But these sex chromosomes are participate forming their sex, are determine their sex. Newborn baby become a girl child or boy child. These sex chromosomes are responsible for formation of their sexes. Male or become female. Okay? It means which are gametes are formed in male and female. In male, which are gametes are formed, there are two types of gametes. There are two types of gametes. Okay? In male, there are two types of gametes. In male, there are two types of gametes. One type of gamete, 22 pair, not pair, 22 autosome, A for autosome. 22 autosome plus F. These are the sperm. Okay? And another type of gamete, 22 autosome plus Y. 22 autosome plus Y. In female, 22. Okay, listen carefully. There are 23 pair of chromosomes and 23rd pair in male. X, Y. In female, 23rd pair is Yes, yes. आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 22 pair autosome plus yes. These are the female. In male, 22 autosome plus XY. These are the male. Okay? This is the male chromosome and this is the female chromosome. So when gametes are formed, they form the two types of gametes. Half gamete, it means 50% gamete. 50% gamete having the X chromosome and 50% gamete having the Y chromosome. But in female, 22 autosome plus X. Only one type of gamete. Only one type of gamete. It means all gametes have the X chromosome with their autosome. All gametes have the X chromosome with their autosome. Understand? Okay. When these sperm are fertilized, then it makes the 22 pair autosome plus X and Y plus X and Y. So the child becomes male. So child becomes male. And if the gametes are fertilized, then they form 22 autosomes, 22 pairs. Because half pair have the male and half pair becomes from the female. So 22 pair autosome plus X. So the newborn child becomes female. Understand? Okay. This is the sex determination in male and in human being. This is the sex determination in human being. Listen carefully. Sex determination in human being. This is the male. Male have the 23 pair of chromosomes. Female also have the 23 pair of chromosomes. And these 22 pair of chromosomes first, these are known as autosome. यहाँ पेयर लिख देते हैं. Okay, 22 pair. Okay, 22 pair. Okay. Listen carefully. These are the 22 pair autosome plus X and Y. These are the 23rd pair of chromosome X and Y into the male. These are known as autosomes. These are known as sex chromosome. Why? Because these X and Y are determine their sex. Newborn child become male baby or female baby. And this is the female chromosome, 23 pair of chromosomes, in which 22 pair chromosomes are known as autosome and 23rd pair chromosomes are known as sex chromosome. When gametes are formed in these, when the gametes are formed, in male and female, these are in human being male, these are from two type of gamete. Half gamete, you know that in gamete become the half number of chromosome compared to their body. So in this gamete take 22 autosome plus X, and another gamete take that from 22 pairs, 22 autosomes and another chromosomes of 23rd pair, which is Y. So these are formed into the male. There are two type of gamete. But in female, there are only one type of gamete. Why? Because 22 pair of autosomes become 22 autosomes plus 1X. Okay. So another gamete having the another X. So they are form only one type of gamete. And the male have the two type of gamete. When these gamete which have the Y, it means total sperm which are present into the male in one time of ejaculation are their testes, 0.5% of sperm having the X chromosome, 0.5% of sperm having the Y chromosome. Okay. So 50% chromosome, 22 autosome plus Y chromosome, and 50% sperm have the 22 autosome and X chromosome.
And next, in female, only one type of gametes are formed. When these gametes which have the Y chromosome fertilized to ova, they are restore 22 pair chromosomes and XY. So the new child become male. And another, these are when fertilized, these sperm which have the X chromosome to the ova, then form the 22 pair autosome and XX. So child become female. Understand? Okay, these are the sex determination in human being. These are the sex determination in human being. Thank you.